Good morning, children. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Academia Ambala. This is your computer period, and we are going to start with lesson number 2, Uses of Computer. Children, in this chapter, we will be studying about the uses of computer in school, in office, in bank, at home, at railway station and airport, in hospital, in entertainment, in designing, in defense and research. All these points we'll be covering in this chapter. So let us start reading the chapter. Uses of computer. Hi children, you know that a computer can do many kinds of work. That is why computers are used in different places for different purposes. Uses of computer. Dear friends, I am sure you all must have heard fairy tales. In such stories, the fairy has a magic wand in her hand and she can do anything by using that wand. In the present world, a computer acts no less than a magic wand. You can do many things with this wonderful machine. Let us study the uses of computer at different places. Computers in school. Children, on this page will be studying the different uses of different uses of computer in school. There are 4 different pictures on this page. In the first picture, a teacher is standing and she is teaching the children on computer. On the second picture, students are sitting in front of the computer and they are studying in the lab. In the third picture, a teacher is typing something. What she is typing? She is typing some circular for students. In the fourth picture, few children are standing in front of a table and a teacher is sitting in front of a computer. Child is giving some money to the teacher. Means the teacher is keeping record of fees in the computer. So let us read this page. Computers in school. Computers are used in school for teaching, learning and studying in lab, for sending reports and circulars to students, for keeping records of fees. Now see this page. A teacher is sitting in front of the system and she is preparing the result. Children, whatever the exam you do in the school, the results are made by your teacher on computer. Same way, a teacher can prepare question papers on computer. These days you are getting your question papers on mobile. But the teacher who is sitting at home, she is making question papers for you people and she is sending the papers to you on mobile. So, a teacher can make question paper on computer. In the next picture you can see there is a big almirah and there are many books are kept in the almirah. So this is a library. A child is standing in front of a teacher and he is having a book. He is holding a book. This is a library and the person who is sitting, he is doing something on the computer. What he is doing? He is maintaining records of books in a library. So let us read this. Preparing a result, preparing question papers, maintaining records of books in a library. Computers in office. Computers are used in office for typing and printing document. Children, you must have seen your parents, mama or papa, they are going to office. What they do there? They do work with the computer there. What they do on computer? They do typing, they take printout of different documents using printer. Many people, they keep the record of employees. Employees means the people who are working there, all are called employees. So keeping a record of employees is also done in the office. People who are working in the office, they send and receive mails. Mails means electronic letters. Sending and receiving mails is one of the tasks which is done in the office using computers. So let us read this. Computers in office. Computers are used in office for typing and printing documents, keeping a record for employees, sending and receiving emails. In the next page, here it is written computers in bank. Do you know computers are also used in banks? In the first picture you can see a man is standing in front of a big machine, and on this machine it is written ATM. ATM means automated teller machine or all time machine. A man is standing in front of that machine and he is taking out money. Children, you must have gone with your parent outside somewhere in the market to take out money from ATM. And you must have seen your papa or mama, he is putting one card inside that ATM machine and he is taking out money from that machine. Taking out money is called withdrawing money. So, withdrawing money from an ATM. An ATM is also a computer. In the second picture, you can see a man is sitting in front of computer and two people are sitting in front of that man. And this man is a banker. He is a person who is working in bank. What is he doing on the computer? He is keeping record of your money. The money which you deposit in the bank, deposit means giving to that person to keep in the bank. That is called depositing. And withdrawing money. Withdrawing means to take out money from the bank. Depositing and withdrawing money. That person who is sitting there, he is keeping record of your money. And he is also maintaining the accounts of the customer. So let us read this page. Computers in bank. Computers are used in bank for withdrawing money from an ATM, keeping record of money, maintaining accounts of the customer. Computers at home. Now see, computers are also used at home. There are 5 pictures on this page and we can see one by one and we can learn how the computers are used at home. In the first picture, a child is sitting in front of computer and he is playing games. In the second picture, brother and sister are sitting in front of the computer and they are watching movie. In third picture, mama and papa are sitting in front of the computer and they are maintaining the monthly expenses. Maintaining the monthly expenses in the computer. What are the expenditure they have made for the whole month? Papa is typing and mama is telling papa to type whatever the expenses they have made in the month. In the fourth picture, a child is sitting in front of the computer and he is listening to songs and enjoying. In the fifth picture, a child is sitting in front of the computer and he is doing in the homework. Whatever the homework is given to you by your teacher, you can do it in the computer sitting at home. So let us read this. Computers at home. Computers are used at home for playing games, watching movies, maintaining monthly expenses, listening to songs, doing homework. Next, computers at railway station and airport. Children, you can make the reservation and cancellation of tickets on the computer which are kept in the offices at airport and railway station. Arrival and departure, these are the two words. Arrival means coming and departure means going. Coming and going of the trains and flights can be kept in record using the computers. So now let us read this. Computers at railway station and airport. Computers are used at railway station and airport for reservation and cancellation of tickets, keeping records of arrival and departure of trains and flights. Next page. Computers in hospital. There are three pictures. In the first picture you can see doctor is sitting in front of the computer, and what she is doing? She is keeping a record of the patient, means she is writing the name of the patient, what is the disease to that patient, what are the medicines given to that patient, what the precautions is to be taken by that patient. All these things are kept in the records in the computer. In the second picture you can see a patient is lying on a bed, and that bed is going inside a big huge machine. What is the use of that big huge machine? The use of that machine is diagnosing the disease. Diagnosing the disease means identifying the disease. That patient is suffering from which disease? That machine will give the machine will find out that what is the disease to that patient. And what the doctor is doing sitting over there, she is typing in the computer, she is writing in the computer about the disease with which the patient is suffering from. In the third picture, a doctor is sitting in front of the computer and she is preparing a medical report. Medical report means what the disease is to that patient, what the medicines are given to be that to the patient, and what the precautions is to be taken by the patient. All these things are kept in record by the doctor inside the computer. Now let us read this. Computers in hospital. Computers are used in hospital for keeping a record of the patients, diagnosing the disease. Diagnosing means identifying the disease. Preparing medical report. Computers in entertainment. Here you can see three pictures. In the first picture, a brother is sitting, sister is standing, and they are enjoying playing games on the computer. In the second picture, the boy is sitting and he is making drawings. In the third picture, a girl is sitting and she is watching cartoons, and she is also making cartoons. So let us read this page. Computers in entertainment. Computers are used in entertainment for playing games, making drawing, watching and making cartoons. Computers in designing. Children, here is the word architect. Architects are the people who make designs of buildings. So architects use computers for making the designs of building. In the same way, designers use computers for making designs for clothes and jewelry. Computers are also used for making designs of cars and aeroplanes. So now let us read this page. Computers in designing. Computers are used by architects in designing buildings, by designers in designing clothes and jewelry, by designing cars and aeroplanes. Computers in defense and research. A scientist is sitting in front of the computer and he is launching and controlling the satellite. You can see it on the screen of that computer which is kept in front of that scientist. Now let us read this page. Computers in defense and research. Computers are used in the field of defense and research for doing research work by scientists, launching and controlling satellites. Children, this is all about the different use. So you have to watch this video 2 times. Watch this video and have fun. Thank you and have a nice day.